YouTube, what's going on? I'm back at it with another video. This one's gonna be about, I'm just trying to invest in myself. I got I don't know if y'all see about the thumbnail. I went ahead and got vinyl did. This it right here. It's from a little shop right here where I'm from. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and so y'all can go check them out. They do real good work, and I thought about it, been thinking, and I think this is something I probably feel comfortable about doing. But that's how it's gonna be, sitting on the windshield, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. But I like how the font look. It look pretty close to the original font of the YouTube font. But yeah, man, I think it's a good thing that you can invest in yourself. Put your stuff out there. You do things, you see other people do things, and you always you just think about it, and you just want to try to do the same thing. Always invest in yourself. You can't go wrong in that. But I'm gonna get this windshield cleaned up a little bit more, and then I'll turn it back on. Peace. I got it cleaned off, and I went ahead and put some new windshield wiper blades on it so I can know how far I need to put it up there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it right quick. What the guy was telling me, he said that I needed to go ahead and get it stuck on there, and then I can maybe peel the lace back. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that propped up, then I'll turn it back on. So just how I got it up there, I just went ahead and taped it down. I just let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. And then once I get it peeled off, I'll turn it back on. I'm back. Got it up on there, but just give me an honest opinion. Just let me know how it turned out, how it looked. But that's it right there. I don't think it looked too bad. I got it close enough right here, so it won't be on that piece of rubber. And then, right here when the windshield wipers come on, it'll probably nip it a little bit, but it's gonna be laying down. But it looked pretty good. But yeah, man, I don't know, man. I just said I'd try it and see how how much subscribers do. See if I can get a few more. Cause right now I'm at 252. If I can get to 1,000, that'd be even better. But I ain't gonna put nothing else on the car. That'll be it. Or like I said, I may take it off. I don't know. I just want to try it out and see. But you gotta invest in yourself, man. You got to. she's still running good, and I think this gonna help it out a whole lot. But you know, the whole message for the day, man, you know, just stay positive, man, and like I say, invest in yourself, and you know, stay at it, man. Keep doing what you love, do what you love doing, man. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing, you know. But we're gonna be out, man. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.